All right, now time to talk about this behind us. Andrew, tell us, what is this thing?
So this is the beautiful TRD PreRunner. I know, we're bringing it back.
TRD PreRunner. So obviously it's like, there's a ton here.
Yeah.
But just give me maybe high level, top 3 or 4 of your favorite or maybe the best features.
Totally.
And like what makes this a TRD PreRunner?
All right. Maybe this doesn't make it a TRD PreRunner, but first of all, we've got these beautiful projector headlights. I'm all about nice vision
Absolutely.
at nighttime. I'm very happy to see this and no reflectors in here. This is a big one for me.
Yeah.
So projector headlights, LED, huge big item. Obviously, for those of you who haven't, maybe you entered in the 3rd generation, so you don't know about this.
Yeah.
PreRunner is same stance, right? Same look and feel of a 4-wheel drive, but it's 2-wheel drive. So that's the big thing. It's a 2-wheel drive only model. However, we've got that rear leaf spring still, but we've changed it to spring under. So that's really gonna help with a lot of that pinion movement.
That's so cool.
With all the torque and horsepower in this
that's
thing.
sick.
It keeps it under control, right? Really, really cool function on this. I think that's my top 3. The last one I would point out here is in that rear differential. We're gonna have a differential lock. So it's like a light 4-wheel drive features on there in a 2-wheel drive. So it was a popular model. I remember one of my first 4-wheeling trips, I went in a 2nd gen, and we're just following everybody else in this little 2-wheel drive PreRunner. It was awesome.
So it has a rear locker.
Yes, yeah, rear locker.
Dang,
yeah,
that's cool.
It gets the deal done.
Wow. Well, I'm stoked that they're bringing this back.
Totally.
It just shows me that they're like, they're pumped. They're bringing back kind of that enthusiast vehicle.
Right.
Adding another trim, another grade.
Right.
It's just cool. And this color.
Yes.
I know that it's not exclusive to this, but just what color is this?
This is underground.
Underground.
Beautiful, dark gray. It's hard to see with all this rain here, but
it almost looks good.
Right.
Dare I say, it might be like tied for cement for me. I mean,
cement
it's sharp.
was a good color.
Yeah.
I mean, we need to get them both in the light.
Yeah.
Like some sun, both of them, and we'll do a comparison.
Exactly. All right, we're gonna pop the hood here real quick. Hey, look at Easter egg number 1.
That's sick.
So what does that mean?
That means we can take it off-road.
Okay.
That's off-road approved logo right there.
Very nice. And then we got Easter egg number 2 here. What's that mean?
I can't even see that.
Is that an Easter egg?
That's a longitude and latitude.
Oh, yeah.
That's a long lat for what?
Look it up. It's an Easter egg. It's not an Easter egg. I'll tell you
Exactly.
What it is.
This is going to turn into like Dumb and Dumber, like meet at a certain place at a certain time, right? You just got to go there and show up.
Just type it in on Google Maps and call it a day.
Yeah.
No air dam anymore. Look at that. I mean, immediately looks better.
It's no longer touching the ground.
Yeah. Incredibly sharp without that on.
But hey, if you want to focus on aerodynamics, slap that thing
Exactly.
on really easy.
Yeah.
It's good for road trips,
Get
right?
600 miles to the gallon. It's like a 580 mile per gallon difference.
You ever heard of the million-mile Tundra? Does it in one take, baby.
Just it in one take. You fill up once, call it a day.
I would like to know what the ground clearance numbers change are when we take that off. I'm expecting something in the feet.
Yeah. Oh, seriously?
2 foot ground clearance change?
28 inches. It is significant, though.
Yeah.
I mean, that thing's got to be at least 6-8 inches.
But to that point, like, it is obnoxious, and there's no way they would put something like that on there if it didn't do something. Because by all other measurements, people are going to take it off. So it obviously adds to that aerodynamic aspect.
Right.
We just wish aerodynamics didn't work like that.
Unfortunately, that's
physics.
Yep. Well, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks. Catch you next time.